Rosa District. A possible Code 6 vehicle has just been reported. Heading eastbound past Diamond Park. Units to clear and head up.